Today we have an exciting algebra problem to solve together. The question is, if square root of x plus y equals 7 and x plus square root of y equals 11, where x and y are positive integers, then what are the values of x and y? Let's start by introducing substitutions to simplify the problem. Let the square root of x be p, which means x equals p squared. And let the square root of y be q, which means y equals q squared. Substituting these into the given equations, the first one becomes p plus q squared equals 7, and the second one becomes p squared plus q equals 11. Now notice that 11 can be written as 7 plus 4, so from the second equation, p squared plus q equals 7 plus 4. From the first equation, we know that 7 equals p plus q squared. Substituting that, we get p squared plus q equals p plus q squared plus 4. Rearranging terms, p squared minus q squared minus p plus q equals 4. We know that p squared minus q squared is the same as p minus q times p plus q, so the equation becomes p minus q times p plus q minus p minus q equals 4. Factoring out p minus q gives us p minus q multiplied by p plus q minus 1 equals 4. Now let's think of the factors of 4. They can be 1 times 4, 2 times 2, or 4 times 1. Let's check each case. In the first case, if p minus q equals 1, and p plus q minus 1 equals 4, then p plus q equals 5. Solving these two equations, we get p equals 3 and q equals 2. That works. In the second case, if p minus q equals 2 and p plus q minus 1 equals 2, then p plus q equals 3. Solving, we get p equals 5 over 2, which is not a positive integer, so it's invalid. In the third case, if p minus q equals 4 and p plus q minus 1 equals 1, then p plus q equals 2. Solving, we get p equals 3 and q equals negative 1, which is not valid since q must be positive. Therefore, the only valid solution is pi equals 3 and q equals 2. Now recall that p was square root of x, so x equals pi squared, which is 3 squared equals 9. And q was square root of y, so y equals q squared, which is 2 squared equals 4. So the final answer is x equals 9 and y equals 4.